Hello friends, welcome to my channel Genius Kids. Today again I come up a new video for IMO SOF International Mathematics Olympiad practice set 1 for class 3. This practice set is for 2023-2024 preparation who are appear in the IMO SOF class 3 exam. So they will benefited from this practice set. So one exam, it is 24th September, already one exam has been completed for set 1. So another two exams already in place in next two dates. So who will appear in the next two dates, that will help, this practice set will help them to prepare for their exams. Also will appear for the other exams. This particular practice set also help them. Okay, so let's start. So this first part, this logical reasoning, 1 to 10 number of questions. Okay, the first question: find a odd one out. So if you see in the picture, so all are the clocks, but C is the calendar. So odd one is calendar. Okay. Next one: there is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on the either side of double colon. Identify the relation and find the missing figure. So if you see A, it is opposite of A. Okay. Then W, which will be opposite of W, that will be M. Now if you see there A and B both are same M, but it should be the purple M because the W, it will be written as in purple. So option B is the correct answer. Next one: which figure comes next in the given figure pattern? So if you see the pattern, if you see in the first figure, 5 balls, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. In next one, if you see, it will come once, one ball here, red, and the yellow is come down. Third one is again, it will red ball, yellow ball, and one red ball is come down. In same way, similarly this way. So in last one, it will be red, yellow, red, yellow, and red. So this red ball will come in the last one. So in this figure, if you see the red, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. So option A is your correct answer. Find the missing number if same rule is followed in all the three figures. So first figure is 5236, it is 32. Second is 444972. We need to find out which one is the question mark. Now if you see proper way, if you see if you add these four first, if we add this all these four numbers, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 6 16. Is 16 is 30? No. But if you see 16, if you this add of 5 2 3 6 gives 16, but if you 16 into 2, it will give you 32. Now see, let's see if the same thing will happen for the next figure is also or not. So 7 plus 4, that will 11, 11 plus 9, it will 20, 20 plus 2, 22. So 22 into 2, that will equal to 44. So the relation is that we add all the numbers which is outside, and then it will multiply it by 2, it will give the intermediate number, inner number. So in the same way, it will be applicable for the third one also. So 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 3 15. So 15 into 2, that will give you 30. So here it will be 30. So what is the option D is your correct answer. Okay. Next question: find the word that cannot be formed from the letter of the given word. See, here is written as assemble. So if we see now in this type of question, what you do? See the this is the tricks for this type of answer, this type of questions, that first you check the options and see in options the letters are present here or not. If in any of the options the letter present in that option is not present present in that option is not present in the word, then that will be the word that cannot be formed. So if you see mess, MESS, if you see double S M E, so this is correct one. BEAM, B also present, E also present, A also present, M also present. If you see slim I, SLIM, see I is not present. So option C is your correct answer. Okay. Which one of the following options shows the mirror image of figure X? So obviously if you mirror image, it will create this one, this, and what happened, this is happened, this opposite of this. Okay. So here if you see, so what is the option? It's option A. Okay. How many possible combinations of one spoon and one bowl can be formed from 3 spoons and 5 bowls? Okay. Also, this type of questions, this type of particular questions, there you can complete this, you can answer this question in this below, that if when you see this one spoon and one bowl, you just multiply 3 spoons and 5 bowls. 3 into 5, 15. So 15 your answer. Any of this type, maybe here it will maybe two balls or five balls, whatever they present, just multiply that number and you get the possible combinations. Okay, this is the trick of this type of questions. Next one, I have two circular faces. I have a curved faces also. Tins of baked beans often look like me. Who am I? So tins of baked beans, it will be a can. Tins of baked beans is like a can. So here C is the can, and if you see in the can, if you see there are two circular faces, this one and this one is the curved faces. So option C is your correct answer. Next one, which of the following figures shape AX is exactly embedded one in there? So if you see in the figure, if you see from the B, if you see this figure is completely embedded here. So option B is your correct answer. Which of the following figures is second to the left of the third figure from the right end? Okay, so this type of questions is very, you need to figure out very carefully. First is that which of the following figure is second to the left of the third figure from the right end. So if you start from the last one, third figure from the right end. This one is right, this one is left. So which one is the third figure? This one is the third figure. First, second, third. Now, which figure is following second to the left of third? Now, in third, this is left. Which one is the second? This one is first and this one is second. So, which figure? Figure option B is the figure that is second to the left of the third figure from the right end. So, in this type of question, first figure out the from the last part. Which one is the third, or maybe if you see this is fourth, fifth, whatever maybe, first find out this one and then find out this part. Okay. Now mathematical reasons, 11 to 20 number of questions. The first question, which of the following has 6 by 8 of its content shaded? Okay, in the first figure there is 4, so it cannot be, it all are shaded. In the second one, if you see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 figures, very good. And how many shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See. So Q is the correct answer. Okay. Which one of the following alphabets has no line of symmetry? So what is the meaning of line of symmetry? Line of symmetry is something is like that. When it's this line of symmetry, actually when we draw this line of symmetry in any figure, both side of this line of this figure, both side of when you draw a line or in the middle of any figure, both sides are equal, both sides are same. How? If you see, if you draw this line of symmetry here, if you see these and these are same. Okay, if you draw line of symmetry here, this part and this part are same. If you draw here line, see these and this part are same. But if you draw here or anywhere, if you see, it cannot be, both side cannot be same. So these alphabet L has the no line of symmetry. So option C is your correct answer. Okay. Next one. Which of the following clock shows the time given below correctly? 4 hours after 5:10 p.m. 5:10 p.m. 4 hours after 5:10 minutes. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. That will be 9. Okay. And 9 and 10, 9, 10. So which of this clock given the 9, 10 or it 10 past 9? If you see, it is 10 p.m., it is 10 past 7, it is 10 past 8, and if you see option D, it is 10 past 9. So option D is your correct answer. Okay. Next one. What is the weight of bananas in the given figure? There are how many bananas? There are 4 bananas. Okay. And what is the weight? If you see, there is one, this is one, so 1 2 kg, this is 3 kg, 4 kg, and now this one is 5 kg. So what is the weight? This is C, 5 kg. Okay. Next one. If this cap plus umbrella is 404 and two umbrellas is 496, then how much does this cap cost? So these two umbrellas, so two umbrellas I put as an U is a 496. So what is the cost of one umbrella? It will be 496 divided by 2, and that will give you 248. So one umbrella is 248. So if one umbrella is 248, so we write one cap plus one umbrella we put 248, and it will give, and it will be 404. So what is the cost of one cap? So one cap is 404 minus 248. So 404 minus 248. So let's minus this. First it is 1. So it is 14, 6. This is 9. This is 5. And now it is taken 1. So this is 1. So 8 plus 6, 4. 5 plus 6, 10. 156. So what is the cost of one cap? The one cap is 1 rupees 156. So option D is your correct answer. What is the closest quantity of water you drink in one glass of full water? Okay, in one glass of full water, water can be measured in liter or milliliter. So if you see option C and D, it is meter and kg. Okay, meter and kg. Kg is the weight. The kg is measuring quantity of weight. Meter is the measuring quantity of distance. So if so, option A and B is it should be option A and B. Now in a glass, if you drink a glass, it will be in the milliliter. So approximately it will be the 250 milliliter. If you drink any glass, it is approximately a normal glass. It is approximately 250 milliliter. Okay. What is the sum of all odd numbers from 80 to 90? Okay. So what are the odd numbers between 80 to 90? It is 81, 83, 85, 87, and 89. Okay. Now add these numbers: 81, 83, 85, 87, 89. So 314, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 9, 25, 2, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 8, 26, 26 plus 8, 34, 34 plus 8, 42. So option B is your correct answer. Okay, understand? Next one. If 2 oranges equal to 19, then what, how this orange is equal to how much? Okay. Now if you see here, it will be there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 oranges are there. So how many pairs are there? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair. So 1 pair cost is rupees 19. So 4 pair is cost 4 into 19. Now what is the 4 into 19? 19 ones are 19, 92 is a 38, 19 threes are 37, 957, and 19 fours are 76. So option B is your correct answer. Okay, it will be the 76. Next question. Shama is thinking of a 3-digit number. Read the given clues carefully and find which of the following numbers definitely could not be the number she is thinking of. All 3 digits are greater than 5. So if you write OTH, 1, tens and 100. So all these 3 digits are greater than 5. Okay. All 3 digits are different. So all these are, now you see the option. If you see 689, 987, 697, 589. So it will see that 689, it is the correct one because all greater than 5. So what is it? What is they ask that could not be the number? So 689 correct. It is all are greater than 5. 1987 also correct because all the 3 digits are greater than 5. 697, it is also correct that all the 3 digits greater than 5. But in option D, if you see 8 and 9 is greater than 5, but a 5, it is not greater than 5. So option D is the correct answer. That could not be the number she is thinking of. Okay. Which one of the following has the largest value? So 120 divided by 5. So what is the 120 divided by 5? It will give you 24. 120 divided by 2, it will give you 60. 120 divided by 3, it will give you 40. 120 divided by 6, it will give you 20. So which one of the following has the largest value? Option B is your correct answer. Okay. Now everyday mathematics. There is a 10 questions in this series. Okay. Akash rented a car for rupees 65 a day. He used the car for 1 week. After paying for the rental of the car, he had 189 rupees left. How much money he had at first? So 65 rupees per day, okay, and he used for 1 week. 1 week means 7 days. So what is, so how many rupees he paid for for the rental? It is 65 into 7, and that give you 5, 3, 42, 45. Okay, so it is 445. Now after paying rupees 445, he had only 189 left. So how much money he had first? So you need to add 189 with 455, and it give you 46. 9, 14, 4, 6, 644. So option D is your correct answer. Okay. Next one. Shobha wants to purchase the toys. She had 150 rupees. Which 3 toys can she buy? Okay. So there are P, Q, R and S toy. This 55, 50, 45, 90. Okay. So she need to buy 3 toys. So obviously if you see 55 plus 50 plus 45, it will give you 150 rupees. So she can buy P, Q and R toy. So P, Q, R means option B is your correct answer. The cricket match began at 9 am and finished at 5:30 pm. How long did the match last? Okay. So 9 am. Now you count up to 5 pm. How much? 9, 10, 1, 11, 2, 12, 3, 13, 4, 14, 5, 15, 6, 16, 7, 17, 8. So 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. that is 8 hours. And it is 30 minutes, 30 minutes additional. So it is 8 hours, 30 minutes. So option D is your correct answer. Okay. If 75 trees are planted in one row, then how many trees will be planted in 25 such rows? So what do we do? We need to do simply multiply 75 into 25. Okay. So what will be the answer? It will be answer is 5 into 5, 25 to 5 into 7, 37, 35 plus 2, 37, 5 into 2, 10, 7 into 14, 15. 5, 7, 8, 1. 1 is 7, 5. So option C is your correct answer. Okay. Next one, 1168. 1168 students were asked to line up in rows of 6 each. How many students would be left out? Okay. So first we need to divide 6, 1168 with 6. So let's divide 1168. How much it will be? 6 into 6. It will be 5, 6, 6 9 ja 54. It will be 2, 8, 6 4 ja 24. So after standing the students in 125 rows with 6 students each, there are 4 students which will be left out. The remainder is the number of students that will actually left out. So if there is another 2 students, then there should not be any left out, or there should be, if there are less than, there are 4 less students, then there should be any left out. So the how many students would be left out? So option D is the correct answer. Okay. Next one, once is 5 years old and his father is 6 times as old as he is. If his father is 3 years older than his mother, then how old is mother? So once is 5 years old and his father is 6 times as old as he is. So his father is, how much old is father? What is the age of father? Is 5 into 6, that is 30 years. Okay. If his father is 3 years older than his mother, then how old is his mother? So his father is 3 years older than mother. So his mother age is 3 less than his father. So what is the age of his mother? That is 30 minus 3, that is 27 years. So option D is your correct answer. Okay. Next one. A cricketer made 56 runs in each inning. He played 23 innings in all. What was his total score? So each innings, one inning, the cricketer scored 56 runs. So in 23 innings, he scored 56 into 23. These are the total runs. So let's multiply this thing. 18, 15 plus 1, 16, 12, 11, 8, 8, 2, 1. 1, 2, 8, 8. So option D is your correct answer. Okay, understand? Next one. A factory makes 570 watches in 10 days. If it makes the same number of watches each day, then how many watches will it make in one day? Okay. So a factory makes 570 watches in 10 days, and each day they will make same numbers. So what is the how many watches make in one day? It is 570 divided by 10, and that will be 57. Okay, so option A is your correct answer. Next one, Shalu spent 35 days at the summer camp. What is the total number of weeks she spent? So 1 week means 7 days. So if she spent 35 days, then how many weeks she spent? It is 35 divided by 7, that will give 5 weeks. So option D is your correct answer. Okay. Last question of this section. The distance from the market to the post office is 78 kilometers. Okay. From market to post office, it is 78 kilometers. And from the post office to the theater, it is 71 kilometers. It is 78 kilometers, and this is 71 kilometers. How far did Pawan travel if he drove from the market to the post office and to the theater, and then to the theater? So Pawan travels from here to here. So what is the total distance he covered? He covered 78 plus 71, this kilometer. So 914. So 149 kilometer. Option D is your correct answer. Okay. Now in the achiever sections, 5 questions in achiever sections. The map, not drawn in scale, shows 4 different ways to going from town X to town Y. The shortest way of going from town X to town Y is through town. So we need to add this one. So 118 plus 135, it is XPY. This is XPY. That will give you 1345 253 kilometer. It is XPY. XQY, it will be 141 plus 115. So this will give you 652 256 kilometer. Okay. XRY, 104 plus 212. So it is 613 kilometer. And XSY, it is 190 plus 93, 382, 283. If you see XPY, so it will be less, 253. So shortest way is via town P. So option A is your correct answer. Okay. Next one, the weight of this is dash kg. This figure is how much kg is one. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 balls is 10, it is 20, so this is 15. So 5 balls weight is 15 kg. So one ball is, what is the weight of one ball? That is 15 divided by 5, that is 3 kg. Now there are 2 balls are there. So 2 balls means 6 kg. Now this plus 6 kg, here you can write 6 kg. You can write 6 kg. That will equal to 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13. So this prism plus 6 kg, that will equal to 13 kg. 13 kg means 5, 10, and then 11, 12, 13. Then this triangle is weight 13 minus 6, that will be 7 kg. So option B is your correct answer. Okay. Mohit has a favorite 4-digit number. Read the clues and identify the number. Okay. O T H T H. Every digit is different, so all the 4 digits are different. Last 2 digits are the same as the odd number just after 79. Last 2 digits means these 2 digits. Now what is the odd number just after 79? What is the numbers just after 79? If we add 1, that is the successor of 79 is 80. Is the 80 is an odd number or even number? 80 is an even number. So we cannot take 80 because it will say that just odd number. So which one is odd number? If we add 80 plus 1, that is 81. 81 is then just next of 79, that is an odd number. So last 2 digit is 81. The sum of first 3 digit from the left is 16. From the left, this number plus this. We don't know what is the number is. That will give you 16. Okay. So th plus h plus 8. That will give you 16. The digit at 100 place stands for 30 tens. 100 place it stands for 30 tens. So what is the 30 tens? 30 into 10 is 300. Okay, so 100 place is 3. So we can prove is 3. Now this plus this plus this, that will give you 16. So th plus 3 plus 8, that will give you 16. So what is the value of th? That will be 5. So it will be 5. So number is 5381. So option B is your correct answer. Okay, and if you see satisfied that all the every digit are different, last 2 digit is 81 and odd number and just after 79. Sum of first 3 digit from the left is 16, 538, that will give you 16. The digit at 100 place stands for 30 tens. 30 tens means 30 into 10, 100. So this is a correct option. Okay. Next one, find the value of x. So what is the find the value of x? So here, what is the value of x? The value of x is 5 into 85 plus 3. The rule of divisor rule. Okay. So 5 into 85, 85 into 5, then that give you 425, and add this 3, remainder 3 is 428. So option A is your correct answer. A value of x is 428. The given graph shows the number of toys cards 5 boys have. Arush, he has total 30, 35. So this is 35. Pinku has 30 cards. Kartik has 40 cards. Aryan has 15 cards. Yash has 25 cards. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay. Now if Pinku give 15 toy cards to his brother, then how he would have the same number of toys? You would have the same number of toy card as. So Pinku has 30 cards. So if he give 15 cards, toy cards, so how many toy cards he has? 15. So 15. So now who has the 15 cards? Aryan has the 15 cards. So same as Aryan. So option B is your correct answer. Okay. So these are the set 1 question, practice set question. I will give you practice set 2 questions in the coming video. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like the videos and share the video to your friends. Uh, please friends, please practice these questions and hope you will do a very good result in the IMO exams. Thank you friends. I will see you in the next video.